Hi friends! Auntie Anne's gonna read you a Rusty Rivets story today. And today's story is called Magnet Power by Tex Huntley. Today is an important day for Rusty. His friend Mr. Higgins will get a medal. Mr. Higgins is the town's first inventor. Rusty made the medal. It's gold and shiny. Oh no, the medal is missing. Rusty thinks Botasaur buried it. How can Rusty and Ruby check all the holes in the yard? Maybe Rusty's really powerful magnet can find the medal. The magnet finds cans, plane wings, and even Jack. It does not find the medal. Botasaur did not bury it. Rusty puts a metal detector on Ruby's buggy. Now they can search all over town. Time to bolt. Beep, 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 beep. The metal detector does not find the metal. A seagull flies overhead. Beep, 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 beep. The seagull has the metal. Let's combine it and design it. Rusty puts the magnet and plane wing on Botasaur. Rusty and Botasaur take off. Rusty and Botasaur go after the seagull. They fly higher and higher. Botasaur gets the medal with the magnet. Botasaur and Rusty reach the stage just in time. Ranger Anna gives Mr. Higgins the medal. Hooray for Mr. Higgins! Botasaur is a hero! Rusty makes a really big medal for him. Botasaur buries his medal. Hooray for Botasaur! The end.
If you like reading with Auntie Anne, feel free to click like and subscribe below. See you on the next story!